Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another Plan With Me. We're midweek, it's the 14th, it's Thursday. I haven't planned yet, but I have been using my Erin Condren weekly pad to kind of keep track of everything that's going on in my life. If you hear any beeps in the background, it's because I'm working from home. So there's that. What am I trying to say? Anyways, so I'm using this kit from Pretty on Paper Co. I don't know if they're still a sticker company or not, but here we are. I wanted to use a kit from my stash that I wouldn't be upset if I actually didn't use this spread that much. So here we are. I am gonna go open the blinds to get a little bit more light in, and maybe that will help my lighting situation. I think it's okay, but okay. Hopefully that's better, I don't know. Anyways, let's get to it. So like I said, today is Thursday. I'm late AF, I don't know. So I'm gonna start with the date covers, because that much I do know, you know, maybe. Okay, so my computer keeps going off, as you can hear. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover again. It's gonna be easier for me, and then I can also watch YouTube while I'm doing it. I don't know, don't judge me. All right, so it's the next day now, and I'm doing my voiceover. But I'm just gonna finish up with the date covers. Is anybody else working from home? It's, as someone who normally works retail, it's a challenge. I live by myself, so it's not like I'm like distracted by like kids or anything like that. But I do have a dog, and he doesn't seem to understand that since I'm home, that doesn't mean that the schedule has changed. He thinks since I'm home, I can spend all my time with him. That's not how this works. I wish it was. But yeah, so working from home is not that bad, but again, as someone who works retail, whose company is making accommodations and figuring out a way to make it work for us, like I am 100% thankful to, you know, still get paid and, you know, still be able to feel like I'm doing my job in this time. So, you know, that's just my rant about working from home. But I'm just doing I think I did the bottom washi, and then I'm putting the ombre heart checklist at the bottom. These checklists have like 7 hearts, so I don't know who's doing the most every single day, but I think that's one of the reasons why I didn't originally use this kit, because like I don't love kits that leave a lot of blank space, especially when I used to be like a no white space planner. So that's that. But yeah, I just put these at the bottom, just to cover up the little, you know, like the little like asterisks before like the bottom section of the dailies. So I'm gonna go in with my to-do headers and put those down. I don't know if you noticed, but I like to put the stickers on the back of my hand because I hate like one by one peeling them off of the sticker sheet. It's just not my vibe. So there's that. We are doing a little matchy color blocking, which I don't normally love. I used to love it, but sometimes the way the kit's laid out kind of dictates the way that you know, lay the kit out, you know? But that's the to-do section. And then I'm putting the today headers at the top, and then I'm gonna put the full boxes at the top, and then we're gonna do some white space in the middle, is what the plan is. So we're just putting down more headers. And I realized that some of these date covers went down crooked. I think Saturday in particular, yes, was just so crooked. So we've got those down. And then Monday was my dad's birthday. So, oh, I'm doing the sidebar. Never mind. We'll talk about my dad's birthday later when I actually get to Monday. So yeah. we're just putting the quote box at the top. It says the biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams, which is super awesome. So the sidebar on this kit is a little different, just because they have a 4-section habit tracker, and I didn't feel like cutting it, so I just put that down. So normally my habits that I track are making sure I wash my face every day and brushing my teeth 2 times. It's amazing what quarantine will do to your hygiene, so I just made sure to put that on there because sometimes you like the reminder, right? So I'm also putting down this weekly tracker because if I haven't talked about it before, I resell clothing on Poshmark and eBay and Mercari, kinda. As kind of a side hustle. So since I'm working from home, I've kind of amped up what I'm doing, and so I like to put how many listings I'm doing daily on the side. And then I put this little money little thing to track my sales, and then I'm going to put my my total sales every day in the little like weekly tracker. So that's how I'm tracking that. And then I'm going to go in with the full boxes. I decided to do the work hard on Monday because, like I said, it's my dad's birthday, and he is, I don't know, like, I'm one of those people, like, my dad is like, I'm super close with him, and he's kind of an inspiration and really just kind of like motivates me to work hard and, kind of see what I can achieve on my own. So, it's, I figured the work hard box was kind of the best representation of what to put there. So the way it's laid out, I do have the lines visible from both the box on the top and the bottom, or for the middle box. You can see both lines on the middle box. Wow. It's probably an easier way to say that. But I'm taking out some of my sticker sheets just to kind of prep for doing the white space in the middle. I'm using some washi and a half box to mark my dad's birthday. I found this munchkin holding a cake, and I thought it was perfect. I haven't grabbed it yet, but it's coming, just so you know. So I definitely did use some munchkins in this kit, and I haven't used munchkins in a long time. So I don't know if any of these stickers are still available. Like I said, a lot of the stickers I have are from when I was planning 2 years ago, and a lot of the kits I have are going to be super old. Here I am fiddling with my Sharpie S pen, trying to focus my camera. It's not working, but I do love the Sharpie S gel pen. It only skips on occasion, and it's really good. So yeah, it was my dad's birthday on Monday, and he turned 60. He's an old man. But like I said, he's really kind of an inspiration to me anyways. And just like him and my mom have, like, they started from the bottom, and, now they're here. They built their own house that they chose a layout for, and, had an architect help them design and stuff like that. Like, they really started, like, in the projects on the East Coast, and now they're living their best lives. So, definitely inspired by the parental units. So I also FaceTimed my dad on Tuesday. I was going to do it on Monday, but I got super busy doing what? Lord knows. But I did send him a text, and yeah, but we FaceTimed on Tuesday and talked about a lot of things. On Tuesday, I put down a Monday already sticker because this week I moved to Tuesday through Saturday for working from home. So that was a little different, and I had a 3-day weekend, and I was the most unproductive that I've ever been in my life, I think. I read a bunch of books, and low-key, I loved all of it. I kept thinking, oh, I need to be productive. Oh, I should go get groceries, things like that. And I was like, nah, bro, let me read another book. So on Monday, I had read my books that I had downloaded before, so I downloaded more books on Monday. And I'm trying to put this bookish planning icon down, but I don't want to cover the work hard. So I'm just struggling because I didn't think this through. I finally paid my rent on Monday, even though it was the 11th. Don't judge me. Don't judge my life. It's fine. For my apartment complex is not charging late fees, so we're fine. So what else did I do on Tuesday? Tuesday, I actually had a really good sales day on Poshmark. I sold 7 things. Did I make the best profit? No, but at this point, I'm trying to get a lot of stuff out of my house because I'm in this to make money. I'm not in this as a storage unit, so buy my things. Please get them out of my house. So I was super excited. I used a Bubba Bear Studios happy cheerleading icon to mark that because I was excited. And then on Wednesday, I got all of the happy mail. I got my Caress Press inserts. I got some clothes I ordered from The Real, and I got my new Goli apple cider vinegar gummies. So that's super exciting. I've heard the benefits of apple cider vinegar. I've tried to take shots of it before, and it is god awful. I can't do that. I'm not interested. So I've heard really good things about these Goli gummies, and so I figured I'd try them. And while they're not awful, they still taste a lot like apple cider vinegar. Like, most people said that it's like totally, like, they're really good and like they taste super fruity. No, that was a lie. You had said that, and that was a lie. But they are pretty good. So I have noticed, it's only Friday, but I took some on Wednesday, I took some yesterday, and I have noticed that it definitely impacts my my appetite, and I just haven't been super hungry the past couple days. So there's that at least. I am filling in my sidebar a little bit. So obviously, like I said, washed my face, brushed 2 times, and then I am walking my dog every day, and then I try to set a timer to clean for 15 minutes. Sorry about that. The one thing I do notice about the Sharpie pen is I'm concerned about smearing, so I wanted to make sure that everything was dry before I flipped over my planner, and then I decided to just open it up. So there's that. I just didn't want any smudges. I think I got some smudges last week, so I really just didn't want that for this week. And this is glossy paper, and I find that glossy paper plus gel pens do get more smudges. So yeah, I put down my weekend banner, and I did it off camera because I'm still not good at the camera angles. Thank you for bearing with me. So I am looking through my sticker icons to see what I can find. I found a bunch of my Fox and Pip stickers, 90% of which are about reading and or laying in bed, which is amazing. So I think those are definitely going to come in handy for rewind spreads. And then I just used some whiteout at the bottom to cover up that line. I did laundry yesterday. And then Friday's payday. That sticker went down super crooked. But I will be putting up my May budget. I did download a new app this week. It's called Copilot. I'm not sure if it's available on Android. I have an iPhone, so that's where I downloaded it on. It's like $2.99 a month, I think. And so far, I really, really like it. It's linked to my account super easy. It's pulled in all my transactions super easy. It's made budgeting for categories really easy. So I'm going to, I don't know if I'm going to film my plan with me today or monthly budget with me today, but I'll definitely do it this weekend sometime. I know it's the middle of the month, but don't judge me. We're in the middle of a pandemic, okay? So I did put down for Thursday that I filmed the plan with me, which is what you're watching. I don't think I filled in too much other stuff. I think that's about it. I did, yesterday, my dog woke me up at 4 a.m. because he puked in my bed. And then I couldn't quite get back to sleep after that. So I do have a little munchkin that I'm going to put down on Thursday morning in the full box, just to explain that I was tired. Because once I did go back to bed, it was time to go to work. So that's the downside of working at 8 a.m. every day. But like I said, I put down these date dots from Once More with Love. And Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are pretty much going to stay open, but I put down that munchkin about for my lack of sleep yesterday morning. And then I really think that's all she wrote. I'm just cleaning up things because if you are anything like me, you make a huge mess when you plan. And I just can't help it. I'm just relatively messy. So that's what happened there. And I really kind of liked how this kit turned out. I can't say that I like loved it. But for planning midweek, I really don't think it turned out too bad. So yeah, like I said, this week I did my to-do boxes at the bottom, full boxes at the top, and then I left the middle for the kind of plan as I go fill-in sort of thing. We'll see how I like this sidebar. I'm not opposed to it, but we'll see how functional it is. I kind of like that I can track more of my sales and stuff, so we'll see if that's helpful. I don't love how many hearts are on the checklists, and that's what I'm babbling on to myself about. But this is what was left of the kit. Like I said, this kit's from Pretty on Paper Co. I don't know if they're still around, but that's what I had. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. Thanks for watching.